Okay, so here is my great wheel. Just step away. So the spindles stick on here. I'm not sure if that's original to this thing. I would say probably not. But it does spin quite nicely. Probably needs balance. That's what I'm thinking. And now for the, the base, all that single foot here, got 2 feet in the back, spread out pretty wide in the back. And then the mother of all, so I believe this little piece used to be on top of one of these things here. And these screw on. I have no idea what these would be. Some kind of tensioner thing, maybe for a speed thing or something. I don't know. This is for the spindle for the whirl part. I'm assuming that that's what this is for. And then we have the leathers. So this one actually had leather in it and not like corn husk. And they used a nail to nail the leathers in. And then this just freely sits on top here. I'm assuming that's okay. This is kind of wobbly, so I'm not sure. I've got this post. Now, maybe it was something like this. I don't know if this is even part of it, but that slides in there. So this piece here just kind of slides out. So I'm thinking there was a screw or a nut on the far side over here. Turn my main post around a little bit so you can see. I was thinking that there was some kind of nut that came onto here, kind of butted up against here to tighten it, to keep it snug. And then you loosen it and then make your wheel adjustments forward and backwards. That's what this looks like. So I don't even know if all this is original to the wheel. So this looks original to the wheel. This post here, I cannot say. This is definitely original to the wheel, as is this main post here. And I know these are original to the wheel. And these are kind of broken. Chipped. But they still work. The threads on the inside look fine. They don't look terrible. So this one's got some chipped gears and some kind of stick poking out the bottom. Don't know what that is either. I don't need a speed thing. I just want something that's going to hold my spindle, which I have coming. Something that'll hold my spindle that I can attach to the big wheel so I can play with this thing. And that's what I have. And we'll hopefully talk with you later. Thanks.